In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs to your Wix e-commerce website. Breadcrumbs are a fantastic tool to improve your website's navigation and user experience. They provide a clear path for your visitors, showing them exactly where they are on your site and allowing them to easily backtrack to previous pages. Whether you're running an online store, a blog, or a portfolio, breadcrumbs can make your site feel more organized and professional. Plus, they can even help with SEO, making it easier for search engines to understand your site structure. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open the Wix Website Editor. This is the hub where you can customize and manage your website's design and functionality. Once you're in the editor, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Dev Mode option. You'll find this in the upper toolbar, which is where a lot of your advanced options are located. Click on Dev Mode, and then select Turn on Dev Mode to activate it. This step enables additional tools and features that we'll need to use to add breadcrumbs to your site. If you're not familiar with Dev Mode, don't worry. Wix makes it pretty straightforward to use. Once you have Dev Mode turned on, you'll notice a new page code panel that appears at the bottom of the editor. This is where you can see and interact with the code and advanced settings for your site. Don't let the term code intimidate you, though. You don't need to be a programmer for this tutorial. The next step is to look to the left side of your screen. You'll see an Add button, which is marked by a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu of elements and features that you can add to your website. From here, scroll or browse through the list until you find the section labeled Menu and Anchor. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options specifically designed for navigation and organization. Among these options, you should see an item labeled Breadcrumbs. Select it to move on to the next step. Now comes the fun part, customizing your breadcrumbs. Wix provides several breadcrumb styles for you to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the available templates and pick a style that complements the overall design of your website. Whether you prefer something sleek and modern or a more traditional design, there's something here for everyone. Once you've chosen a template, click to add it to your web page. After adding the breadcrumb template, you'll want to place it in the right spot on your site. Typically, breadcrumbs are located near the top of the page, just below the header. However, the exact placement is up to you and what works best for your design. Once you've placed the breadcrumbs, it's important to preview your website to ensure they display correctly. To do this, simply click on the Preview button at the top of the editor. This will give you a live look at how your breadcrumbs will appear to visitors. If you notice that the breadcrumbs need to be resized or repositioned, you can easily adjust them. Go back to the editor, click on the breadcrumb element and make the necessary tweaks. You can drag the breadcrumbs to a different location, adjust their size, or fine-tune their alignment. Take your time with this step to make sure the breadcrumbs look natural and blend seamlessly with the rest of your site's design. Finally, don't forget to check that the breadcrumbs are functioning correctly. Test them out by clicking through the breadcrumb links to ensure they take you to the correct pages. If everything looks good and works as it should, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully added breadcrumbs to your Wix e-commerce website. Breadcrumbs are a small but impactful addition that can make a big difference in how users navigate your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.